Good morning, dear student. How are you? I am well. I think you are also keeping well at home. And please don't forget your academic function. So please try to learn something from these classes, and I will do today something, and yesterday I did transformation of sentences. This was also affirmative to negative. Today it will also transformation of sentences and affirmative to negative. Please follow transformation of sentences. Affirmative to negative. My dear student, in my previous class, you enjoyed much more interesting class, and this class also very interesting and easy method and easy way for you. And I want to give you interesting tips here. Please follow my example and listen. Why we take some activities in the transformation of sentences. This is very interesting and very important chapter to you. If any student, if any meritorious students, meritorious student cannot do transformation of sentences, he has no good command of English language. So you will practice here much practice, more activities you will show here, I think. My dear student, there are some sentences, and if you are told to make it negative, what you will do? Please follow in order to change the affirmative sentence into negative sentence, and we can use negative word in place of affirmative word. There are some sentences, this sentence bears some key words which are very essential for the sentence, and you are told to make it negative. You can use here negative word in place of affirmative word. Follow here. They, number one, they always remember us. If you are told to make it negative, what you will do? Please follow negative. They never forget us. So, please, my dear student, follow here. They always remember us. You will write they always also affirmative word. In place of affirmative word, you will write negative word never. And remember, in place of remember affirmative word, you will write here forget. So, negative sentence, they never forget us. So, they always remember us. If you write, they always remember us, and next body will write, they never forget us. So, the meaning of the both sentences are correct. So, you will write here, you will use some negative words for this reason, and in order to do in this way, you have to learn some word, affirmative word and negative word. Affirmative word, negative word you have to learn some. Please follow, such as kind, unkind, regular, irregular, love, hate, short, tall, honest, dishonest, polite, impolite, mortal, immortal, new, old, wise, unwise, early, lately, beautiful, ugly. So, I want to give you some other example. Please follow. If I give you, always speak the truth. Number 2. Always speak the truth. In the negative, never, for always, you will write never. Never. Speak the truth means tell a lie. Speak the truth means tell a lie. So, you will write here, never tell a lie. Number 3. If I write here, I am always against smoking. I am always against smoking. In the negative, you will write, I am never against in favor. I am never in favor. If you write in favor, so there will be a conjunction of smoking. So, you will write here, I am always against smoking. So, I am never in favor of smoking. This is the negative form. So, dear student, in this way, you can change the sentence into negative. I want to give you another sentence. Please follow, and you should open your khata and try to write down and remember, please, our headmaster is always kind to us. Actually, our headmaster also always kind to us. So, I give you this sentence in order to do negative, but the meaning will also the same. you must not change the meaning. So our negative. Our headmaster is never. For always you will write never. Never is never. For kind you will write here unkind. To us. So, my dear student, follow here. Our headmaster is never unkind to us. That means our headmaster is always very kind to us. Our headmaster is always kind to us. Not. My dear student, if I tell you another sentence, what you will do? If I say, Lovely is very beautiful. Beautiful girl. What you will do here? Obviously, you will write here for negative lovely is not. For beautiful, you will write here ugly. Lovely is not ugly girl. So here what I have done for berry, I do not write here anything. So you have to write something here. You must not omit lovely. Lovely is very beautiful. You must not omit here very. You have to write here at all. So lovely is not ugly girl at all. At all. This is the way. How can you make it negative? My dear student, I will give you another tips here. You will follow. There are some sentences which are universal truth. And if you are told to make it negative, what you will do here? You have to make the sentence into negative interrogative form. Into negative interrogative form. If the sentence is affirmative and the sentence tells the meaning universal truth, so you have to make here negative interrogative form. Dear student, follow here. Health is wealth. Number one, health is wealth. You have to make it negative. So, what you will do here? Negative. This is the function. If the sentence bears any to be verb, this to be verb will come first. Is. Then negative word not will come in the short way. Isn't. Health. Wealth. this sentence is a negative sentence. Though you look it as an interrogative, but this is not interrogative, this is also negative. You will write in this way. If you don't like to do in this way, you will write or is health not wealth? Is health not wealth? You can do in this way. My dear student, I will give you another sentence to you. Please follow. Number 2, knowledge is power. Knowledge is power. So here you will write negative isn't knowledge power. This is also negative form. My dear student, I will give you another example without any auxiliary verb. Then what you will do? My dear student, please follow. The sun rises in the east, or the earth moves around the sun. I write here, the earth moves around the sun. Here, this sentence also universal truth. So, what you will write? There is no auxiliary verb here. You have to use here do, or does, or did. You have to use here this verb. Since this sentence does not bear any auxiliary verb, this sentence has main verb, so you have to use here do, does, or did. If the sentence is in the present tense, you will do or does, you will use. If the sentence is past form, you will use did. So, I see here the earth moves around the sun. This is the present indefinite tense. Moves, and the verb adds es. So, you will use here does. If the verb does not add s or es, you will, and the sentence is present indefinite tense, you will use do. And if the sentence is past indefinite, you will use did. So, I will write here negative. Doesn't the earth move around the sun? This is also look like an interrogative sentence. It is also interrogative, but it is not here interrogative, it is also negative. You will do in this way. My dear students, I think you have done very well, and you will practice at home in this way. Affirmative to negative sentence which bears, affirmative sentence which bears the keywords. You have to change these keywords in place of affirmative word, you will write here, use here negative word, and if the sentence is universal truth, you will make it negative, making negative interrogative form. My dear students, thanks my dear student. Your home task is also this exercise we will do at home. Home task, please write down. Is W exercise in your book, lesson 1, 2 and 3. Thank you my dear student. Thanks. See you again.